Hey, you guys. We're going to do a package open. So, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to you guys. Happy holidays to you all. I got a new package. Oh, this is nice. This is what I got for my best friend. Because we go to the boat. And she liked panda. Wild pandas. I like wild pandas. See? It feels so good. She gonna like it. Yeah, she gonna like it. It looks really nice. It's really soft. It's cozy. But she's gonna like it. I told her, I hope you like your Christmas gift. She said, I hope you like yours too. But yeah, I got her this panda throw, this blanket, and it's really, really, really soft. I got my son this hat. He liked to smoke. But I got this hat. Hold on, you guys. I boxed it up for him. And I got him this shirt, this hoodie. This hoodie feels so good. I got him this hoodie. Yeah. Put this hat. I'm gonna box it together. I got him and my daughter some thermos, the tops and the bottoms. I also got I got him some socks, some black socks. What else I get? I got my daughter some Tweety Bird pajamas. They silky. They feel so good. My daughter and my son like soft, silky materials. And now this, let's see what this is. This is my daughter's bonnet. This ain't Nevea. She gonna like this. I thought she was coming. Scared me. I thought she was coming. And that's it. But yeah, I gotta go get my daughter some socks. And I have to go get her some t-shirts. Oh, and I bought my son some black and white t-shirts to go up under his clothes. And I bought him some thermos. I bought him some socks. I bought him this hat and hoodie. Now I gotta just go to the store and get my daughter some socks. And I gotta get her some t-shirts. You know, my kids still wear t-shirts under their clothes. I hope you guys do. Stay warm to keep you from catching cold and pneumonia and tuberculosis. That's all. Keep you from getting sick. Always put your kids on t-shirts under their clothes. Always buy them some thermos or some leggings or something to go up under their clothes. Some long socks. That's what I bought my son, long socks. I'm gonna buy my daughter some long socks. It's for the winter, you know. Prepare for the winter. The winter. I said window. Prepare for the winter. I also got this. That's what you see. But yeah, I want to wish everybody a happy New Year, Merry Christmas, and a Happy New Year. And I hope you all been fine, health-wise, taking care of yourselves and making sure your other people is fine. And thanks for watching. Thanks for stopping by watching. That's all. So, with that being said, peace out. And until next time.